At least 13 people have died and thousands have been forced to evacuate their homes as storms and heavy rainfall continues to lash Central America. Salvadoran authorities on Friday said the death toll had now reached 19, among them 6 children, while over 3,000 people remain in temporary shelters. Guatemalan authorities on Friday reported 10 deaths, nearly 11,000 people evacuated, close to 300 still in the temporary shelters. 300 severely damaged and 4 bridges destroyed. Neighboring Honduras, meanwhile, reported 1 death and over 1,200 people evacuated, some 300 in the last 24 hours. They say the rains had cut off 118 communities and destroyed 22 houses. Meanwhile, in Mexico, authorities forecast strong rains across most of the country and torrential downpours across sections of the Pacific and Atlantic coast, as well as further inland, bringing lightning, strong winds, possible hail and flooding around rivers.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।